Welcome to 407 Clint Lane, Fredericksburg, Virginia, a well-maintained brick-front townhome in Stafford County offering 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a versatile floor plan, and a convenient location close to everything the Fredericksburg area has to offer. The entry-level features a spacious recreation room with direct access to the fully fenced, level backyard that backs to mature trees, creating a peaceful outdoor setting. A bedroom, NTC, and full bathroom on this level provide flexible space for guests, a home office, hobbies, or other changing needs. The main level is designed for comfortable everyday living with an open layout that includes an oversized living room, a kitchen with a center island, and a dining area with access to the low-maintenance composite deck overlooking the backyard. Upstairs, you'll find 2 secondary bedrooms, a full hall bathroom, and a spacious primary suite featuring a walk-in closet and private ensuite bath. Additional highlights include a timeless brick front, 2 assigned parking spaces, and a backyard storage shed for lawn equipment, seasonal items, or outdoor gear. Located in Stafford County with a Fredericksburg address, this home offers convenient access to historic downtown Fredericksburg, I-95, Route 1, VRE commuter rail, Mary Washington Hospital, the University of Mary Washington, shopping, restaurants, parks, and everyday conveniences. If you're looking for a move-in-ready Stafford County townhome with 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a fenced backyard, and excellent access